Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a quick little haul here. My name is Chelsea if you're new, and this is a TheCraftyStudent haul. I just got a few things that I'm out of. I used some coupons, so I just had to pay for shipping, and I think I went over by like $1. So let's get into this real quick. I only have two schemes that I used, the colorful scheme and then the neutral, and all of these in the back here are going to be colorful. And I just got this one that is neutral, and then there's a couple where you don't have a choice in the color scheme, which I am more than okay with. So I got more of the crock pots, which I do realize in my last haul I also got one, so I'm like overstocked on these, but I've been cooking more and more in my Instapot and I love it. That's what I use these for, my Instapot, or for just if I need to cook something the day before or something in the Instapot for that night, whatever the case. So I got the crock pots in, but like I said, I'm gonna call it the Instapot, and neutral. I got more of the play outside. Now that it's a lot cooler, we can actually go outside, which is gonna be so much more fun, especially going to the park. I have more cuddle time stickers. I'm nearly out. More grocery shopping stickers. And then here's where the rest of them is going to be all colorful scheme. So I got more of the pay rent, out to eat, which realistically we don't go out to eat that often, but lately we've been going out at least on the weekends once, just because our daughter has been spending the night at her great grandparents, so we've been taking advantage of having some adult time. And then I also got more of the order groceries and pick up groceries. Got more of the clean the bathtub, which I need to do. Wash sheets, I'm doing that tomorrow. Fold the effing laundry. I'm down to like one sticker left, so that'll be fun. And then binge watch. We're getting ready to binge watch Vikings again because the last season starts in December and it's mid-November. And then more I adulted today. I'm very, very pleased with myself to buy more of these because I have been adulting a lot lately. So, yay! That is my little haul, and I'm going to show you as well freebie. I believe the Disney Plus stickers will be coming out in her next new release, which you can follow her on Instagram or on Facebook and find out when that's going to be. You can also follow me and all the other girls I'll have listed down below on our enabler team. So, in which I'm actually going to be using this for the next week. I've already set it up. I have the plan with me already out by the time this comes out, so I'll be using that. I actually will be using that in December, so it's perfect. But here's the little freebie that you get. I believe that one is going to be a new one. Disney Plus is definitely a new one, and the rest of this I think is on the Christmas bucket list or checklist. I forgot exactly what it's called, but you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook and find out what's going on with new releases and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick talking TheCraftyStudent haul, and please don't forget that TheCraftyStudent will be changing as of January 1st. We will be we'll be moving into gold paper prints. Our girl Sarah, who owns the shop, is getting married, so because she's getting married, her shop is getting married. So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.